Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. Today I'm going to show you all how you can make these homemade fluffy biscuits using only 3 ingredients, and one of them is not buttermilk. So if you want to see how I make these biscuits, keep watching. Okay guys, in my bowl here I have my self-rising flour. I have 3 cups of that, and here I'm going in with my butter. This is the half of the butter first. We're going to go in with that, and then we're going to go in with the whole stick here that is also all chopped up. So we're going to go ahead and get that in there, and I'm going to go in with my hand. I don't know what I did with my pastry cutter, but if you want to use your pastry cutter, you can, guys. I normally would, but sometimes I do go in with my hand, which is what I'm going to do now. So we're going to go ahead and just get this squeezed up. And what it's going to do, and we are working with frozen butter here, and what this is going to do, you are going to get pieces of that butter all throughout your biscuit dough. So, and also guys, you want everything to be cold, cold, cold. That's how you really get the perfect fluffy biscuit. Make sure everything is cold, from the flour down to the milk to the butter. Everything, have it cold, okay? I had everything in the freezer. So we're just gonna go ahead and just crumble this up, and you're pretty much gonna see something like that. If you can do like that, then yeah, that's pretty much how we're gonna do it. Just crumble it up. Like I said, if you have a pastry cutter, go in with that. Okay, so right here is what you're looking for. You can see all of my butter. It's pretty much mixed in with my flour, and when you could pick it up and you could squeeze it like this and go like that and it keep its form, that's how you know you're ready for the next step. So again, you don't need to add anything else in here. This is self-rising flour, my homemade self-rising flour, and I will put the link right here above for you guys to go on over and check that out if you want to figure out how to make your own. So now that I got this done, I'm going to go ahead and make a well in the middle. We're not using buttermilk. We're going to use regular milk, and I did sit my milk in the freezer for this, and we're going to go in with about 1.5 cups of milk, and that should be good. And then I'm going to go in with 4 fingers. You guys see I'm mixing up flour. We're going to go in with 4 fingers and just kind of get it all mixed in. And it's going to be somewhat tacky. That's all good. That's pretty much how you want it to be. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of move it around. If you need to, if you want to add in more milk, you can. But just add it until your dough pretty much pulled together like this. And then you can start to go in with all 5, and just like that. And it's still going to be, you see it's not really sticking, but we're ready to start rolling out our dark biscuits. Okay guys, so I went on ahead, I got flour onto my table here, so we're going to get our dough out of the bowl, and we're going to start to shape our biscuits. Well, cut out our biscuits, should I say. Put them in the sink for me. Thank you. So now at this point, we're going to go ahead and just kind of fold in our biscuits, and right here we're going to put in layers of our biscuits. So you want to just do this maybe 1 or 2 times, because you don't want to overwork your dough. Overworking your dough will make your biscuits tough, and you don't want that. So now I'm going to go ahead and just kind of press them out. Okay guys, so now I have my little heart cookie cutter here, and I'm going to go in and we're just going to start to cut out our shapes. And I'm just doing this as something fun, okay? If you want to use a regular biscuit cutter, you can, or glass, or whatever you have on hand that you can cut out your biscuits with, just go ahead and use that, okay? Again, I just thought this would be fun to have these or make these, you know, seeing as though Valentine's Day is a few days away. So just gonna go ahead and just cut out as many as you can. And then I have one of my pans lined with parchment paper. And we're gonna go ahead and look at that. It just came right out. How cute is that? So I'm gonna go ahead and just set these to the side, the ones that come out, and then get them into my pan. And we're just gonna go ahead and put that dough back together and cut out some more biscuits. Okay, so here are my biscuits here, guys. How cute are they? We're gonna go ahead and get these into the oven. I have my oven set to 350, and we're gonna bake these for about 10 minutes or so, or until you see they are nice and golden brown and fluffy, of course, but they have to be nice and golden brown, okay? So I'll just see you guys back once they're done. Here are my biscuits here, guys. They were in the oven for exactly 12 minutes. I had my oven set, I told you guys 350, but I actually had it on 375. So I don't know where my basting brush is, but we got some melted butter here, and I have a paper towel that I just kind of twisted up a little bit. So we're just gonna go ahead and dip it and just coat each one of our biscuits with this butter. And then I'm gonna break one open for you just so that you guys can see how fluffy these biscuits are. And all you need is 3 ingredients, guys: self-rising flour, milk, and butter, frozen butter. I was gonna say frozen butter, but that's all you need. No buttermilk, just regular classic biscuits. Here, so I just wanted to go ahead and just break one open for you so that you guys can see that crumb in the middle. And do you see that? How fluffy they turned out? Guys, these biscuits are so good. And like I said, you only need 3 ingredients. They turned out perfect. Get you some honey, some jelly, whatever you want on your biscuits, whatever you like on your biscuits, syrup, whatever. Guys, these will be perfect for it. And like I said, they are regular biscuits, except we're not using buttermilk. We're just using self-rising flour, butter, and regular milk. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video showing you how to make classic biscuits. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing. And until next time, you guys take care. Bye.